go right the way, you idiot.
You know, mate.
I mean, it doesn't bother me, mate. Jesus Christ! You f***ing idiot! Instagram hashtag, not hashtag, Instagram at. I've never seen anyone do that.
Oh, turn into nest then.
Eh?
Instead of turn into nest then, you can do it from this way. Just do it.
Oh, naughty, naughty. He pulled over. Stop. Yeah, whatever.
Only barbarian smoking and staring.
Put that on me.
Oh, Stephen, she's going to.
Now. Old people, this is why they need to retake their tests.
Didn't even look.
Not allowed. Not allowed. I can always tell when she's paying attention and not. Turn me down the country lane. Why? Well, I'm just gonna go and take your spot then. Oh. You
Right. Say.
Oh, you took it first? Like, literally? Right. Even they're like, what the? Can't believe that.
I'm on camera, so.
Bloody hell.
Oh.
You went through that.
Absolutely, and it also explains a lot of the. It also explains.
Well, I don't know where the nearest thing is. A bit further. Oh, that was all fun and games.
Will there be a bit right very
Yeah.
very fucking was? Yeah.
Yeah. Twat.
Do we have indicators in our Vauxhall Vivaro? No, we don't. Second opportunity to show me those indicators. Still broken. Oh, they do work! Whey! Lessons on indicators might be nice. Yeah, you failed.
Don't bother indicating, mate. Doesn't matter.
What do you want to pull about here? Oh, that's where I left it.
Oh, I knew we left it somewhere. Oh.
Oh, look at that.
For sale.
Looks like a
Classic cars.
restoration business.
For that. Looking at it now, you realise.
Maybe I've just been lucky.
It's more cute than just old fashioned, I'll give you that. I don't think you realise. Things, but I'm gonna try and make that cake. But I'm gonna try and make